DxO Labs is currently running a massive sale for Black Friday. Enjoy it. Go down in the description below and then click on the link. Make sure you click the link to enjoy your discount. In this another small tutorial of DxO Photolab 8, I'm going to explain you the difference between the contrast, microcontrast, and fine contrast. Now, if you click in the question mark on the side, which I always recommend, just always click there. It will actually give you a nice explanation. Will contrast increase and decrease of the global contrast. Contrast of what? Contrast of the shadow and the highlight. So when you go far right, it makes the bright really bright and makes the dark super dark. So that's just a global. I'm going to go to the opposite direction. So it reduces the highlight and reduce the shadow all at the same time. So it makes it look quite flat, which is almost similar to kind of like a Clearview Plus, but Clearview Plus, I apologize. Smart lighting, but in much more kind of aggressive way. I don't highly recommend it using the slider. I recommend you to use the tone curve in that case. Now, microcontrast. Microcontrast, if you read here, it says enhance or soften the very small detail. DxO is running a massive deal. Make sure you go down in the description below and then click on the link to enjoy your Black Friday deal right now. Particularly useful for the textured image or compensate for a lack of sharpness. So either the image is not that sharp, or you need, for instance, this particular edge of the mountain look very powerful and contrasty. In that case, if you turn this all the way up, you see that there is a dramatic change. But here's a problem. It kind of affects the global image. Now, that's the particular look that you're looking for, then that's fine, but I highly don't recommend it all the time. Here's the interesting part. If you go to the opposite direction, it gives you a nice and hollow look, which is sometimes very useful in a landscape if you're looking for a moody look. And it's also very useful if you're looking for doing the exact same thing on portrait. Let's say if I'm reducing the micro contrast, it makes it look really nice and smooth, which is amazing. But if you go to the opposite direction, I don't recommend it at all. Unless, again, you're looking for some really powerful, contrasty black and white look.